Good day, ma'am, sir. Allow me to introduce to you myself. I am Grace Arabio, 43 years old. I live in Barangay Namatay, Lingli, Iloilo, Philippines. I am single mother of two boys aged 8 years old and 6 years old. I really want to come back in Hong Kong to support my kids' studies and to help my family too. I worked in Wong Tai Sin, Hong Kong before for 6 years in one employer. My main duties is to take good care of their 8 months old son. And if he is sleeping, I clean the house and do laundry and ironing the clothes. And also prepare the food for dinner. And in the morning, if sir is still in house, I bring their older son to school with my madam and do marketing. I cook only in dinner because my both employer is working. I know how to cook basic Chinese food like steamed pork, steamed egg, and steamed fish, and more. I also know how to make their soup. I also worked before in Macau Taipa in my Filipino employer. My main duty is to take good care of their two kids. I bring and pick up the kids in school. Sometimes I cook Filipino food like adobo, sinigang, and more. My Hong Kong and Macau employer are good. They treated me as family. Ma'am, sir, please choose me as part of your family as a helper. I'll do my very best. Thank you and God bless.